Something that every cookout needs is a good old potato salad. Hey, today we're gonna do a griddled potato salad on the Blackstone Griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, we're going to pre-warm our griddle. First and foremost, we're going to take our silicone mat out. This is a new mat from Blackstone. So we're pre-warming the griddle on a low heat. I've got some of these little whole potatoes, little baby potatoes, and I'm going to put those into, it's about 2 pounds. I was hoping they were going to be a little bit smaller, but that's okay. And I want to take and put those into one of these pans, and we'll take a little bit of water, really just putting enough just to kind of put a little bit, maybe about 1/4 inch of water in the bottom of this. I'm also going to go ahead and salt these a little bit too, give them a little flavor, give that water a little flavor. And I'm going to take some aluminum foil, I'm going to put over that. So we're basically par cooking these potatoes on the griddle. If you want to do things differently, you want to pop them in a microwave, you can do that. You could cook the potatoes raw right onto the griddle, have a cover, and you just keep on inserting some water, all right? All right, we're gonna lay the potatoes right in the middle of the griddle, and we're gonna par cook these, kind of steam them, boil them a little bit until almost tender, okay? Almost. So we're gonna check back in about 5 to 7 minutes, all right? All right, it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm going to carefully lift this up here. And I want to give this a look, okay? And again, I don't know if you can see good or not. It's still got some give to it, but it's not going all the way through easily. It's perfect. We're going to take these back over to the cutting board, and we're going to get them back onto the griddle. Just going to take these out, put these onto our cutting board. Some tongs would probably be a good choice here instead of nature's tongs. Right, slide these over just a little bit. Got us a big bowl right here. All right, now, just gonna cut these up, and something like that. If you wanna go, maybe we'll quarter it like that. Quarter like that would be just great. All right, now that we have our potatoes cut, now we're gonna get these seasoned up, get them onto the griddle. How we're gonna do that, I'm gonna take some avocado oil, salt. Potatoes require a lot of salt, pepper. We want these things to be very flavorful. We're gonna come in with some of this Blackstone Tuscan herb seasoning. Just gonna give these a toss, get all that goodness. All right. These are ready for the griddle. Let's get a crust on them. All right, as you can see, a little bit of wisp of smoke coming off of the Blackstone. It tells me it's ready. Get these, get a nice contact patch. Now, one thing I'm also gonna do is take a couple lemons. I'll take a little bit of oil, put down right here. Just gonna put those cut side down right onto the griddle. Wanna get a nice little caramelization on it. It's gonna make a nice little mwah into our vinaigrette that we're gonna make. All right, while our potatoes and lemons are going over here, we're gonna make a little vinaigrette. I'm gonna take a little bit of, this is kind of stone ground mustard. If you wanna do regular mustard, it's perfectly fine. Take some really good olive oil, just like that. I'll do a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, a little bit more olive oil. Let's see where our lemons are. That's perfect right there. That's exactly what we want. Now we're just gonna squeeze this in to our vinaigrette. Let's try 1/2 right now. We'll leave this other half for maybe a little bit later, might need a little bit more. But right now, I think that's good. All right, we're gonna head back over to the griddle and flip our potatoes. All right, we're just gonna turn our potatoes, and as you can see, this is a nice crust. If it starts to look a little bit dry, feel free to add a little bit more oil as you go. I'll give our little vinaigrette here one last stir, and we're gonna go over get our potatoes. And we're just gonna put these potatoes right, there we go. All right, let's head over to the cutting board. Give these a toss here. Take our spoon. Man alive, look at this. Now that is a tater salad right there. Not quite finished yet. I wanna take some green onions, kind of finish things off a little bit, right in there, just like that. Got a little flat leaf parsley I wanna chop up too. There we go. Put that right in our bowl. Man, it smells amazing, and I bet it tastes amazing too. Get us a plate here. Goodness gracious. Just a few more greens, put it right on top. We got our lemon here. Want to come right over the top. Oh gosh. Whew. Here we go. That, my friends, is a tater salad for your next cookout. I guarantee it. Let's give it a try. Come in here. Come in right there. Ooh, yeah, look at that bite right there. Oh man. Oh my God. The tater, nice. It's not soft. It's not really al dente. It's got a crust on it. That stone ground mustard, that little vinaigrette we made, the lemon, the herbs, all coming out. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Hey, I hope you can make this as well. If you do, please make sure you tag us, Blackstone Products. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos just like this. I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.